WhatsApp is one of the most widely used messaging apps, and its voice messaging feature makes communication faster, more personal, and convenient. In this video, we'll explain everything you need to know about sending, receiving, and managing voice messages in WhatsApp so you can make the most out of this feature in 2026. Sending a voice message on WhatsApp is simple. In any chat, just press and hold the microphone icon and start speaking. Once you release the button, your message is sent instantly. This is perfect for sending longer messages without typing, especially when you're on the go or have a lot to say. If you have a longer message to send, you can slide up to lock the recording. This allows you to record hands-free, making it easier to focus on what you're saying without holding down the button the whole time. After recording, you can even listen to your voice message before sending it. This ensures that your message is clear and error-free. When receiving voice messages, WhatsApp gives you playback speed options, allowing you to listen at 1x, 1.5x, or 2x speed. This is particularly useful when catching up on long messages in busy group chats. You can also pause and resume recordings while creating a voice message, which helps you organize your thoughts without starting over. WhatsApp also lets you forward or star important voice messages. Forwarding is helpful for sharing instructions or reminders with multiple people, while starring keeps your key messages easy to access later. In groups, you can reply directly to a specific voice message, which keeps conversations organized and avoids confusion. For privacy, using headphones ensures that you can hear and respond to messages without others listening in, especially in public places. Finally, it's important to be mindful while recording. Avoid pressing the microphone unintentionally, as WhatsApp will capture any background sounds and send them automatically. By using these tips, you can make your voice messaging more efficient, clear, and professional, whether you're chatting with friends, family, or colleagues. In summary, WhatsApp voice messaging is a fast, personal, and versatile way to communicate. From hands-free recording and playback speed control to starring important messages and replying to specific notes, these features help you stay organized and communicate effectively. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.